How to remove a condom stuck inside. Sometimes, a condom can fall off during sex and get stuck inside the body. This happens rarely and is not a cause for panic. When it does happen, the condom usually can be removed relatively easily if you know how. Removing a stuck condom from the vagina. Remove the condom as soon as possible. If a condom slips off during intercourse, it should be removed as soon as possible. You should immediately stop intercourse and refrain from panicking. If the condom did not slip off when he was pulling out, the man should remove his penis. There is a risk of infection the longer the condom remains in place. You shouldn't allow a condom to remain inside you for more than a couple of hours. When a condom slips off, it has already lost its effectiveness for both birth control and to prevent STIs. You should visit your doctor to discuss this immediately. Wash your hands. Before you try to remove a condom from inside you, make sure to wash your hands. This helps reduce the risk of bacteria from entering your body. If you have cuts or open sores on your fingers, make sure to cover them before you insert your fingers inside yourself. You should also make sure you or your partner do not have sharp nails because you can scrape the inside of your vagina. Lie back to retrieve the condom. If you have a condom stuck inside, lie on your back. Spread your knees apart to allow access and make it easier to remove. Insert 1 or 2 fingers into your vagina. Once you feel the condom, grab it carefully. Smoothly and gently, pull out the condom. If you are using one finger, try to hook the condom with your finger. You may also try to press the condom between your finger and your vaginal wall and drag it out slowly. If you are using 2 fingers, try to grab the edge of the condom between your 2 fingers. Squeeze the edges tightly between your fingers as you slowly try to pull it out. If you cannot reach the condom, ask your partner to pull out the condom. Your partner should insert 1 or 2 fingers and feel around for the condom. Once he touches the condom, he should gently pull it out. Try your best to keep any semen from spilling out of the condom as you pull it out if possible. Raise your hips. If neither you nor your partner can reach the condom, try raising your hips. This may shift the condom so that you or your partner can reach it more easily. Place a pillow under your hips to help raise them higher or into a different position where you may be able to grip the condom. Check the condom for missing pieces. After you remove the condom, check it to make sure it is completely intact. If a condom breaks, parts of it can break off and remain inside of you. Check to see how much, if any, of the condom is left inside. If you have bits of the condom left inside, try to see if you can remove the pieces left inside with your fingers. If you cannot remove the missing pieces, you will need to see a doctor. Sit on the toilet. If you can't get the condom out while lying on the bed, try getting it out by sitting on the toilet. Sit down on the toilet and spread your legs with your feet on the floor. Push down with your pelvic muscles to try to push out the condom. Insert a finger inside your vagina as far as you can. If you cannot feel the condom, move your finger back and forth to try and locate it. When you feel it, insert another finger to grab the condom and pull it out. Sometimes it works best to stand in front of the toilet and put one foot on the lid. Then try to use your fingers to remove it. Visit your doctor. If you cannot remove the condom, visit your gynecologist. They may be able to remove the condom. You may also consider visiting a nearby urgent care center or emergency room. You should also visit the doctor if you have any pieces of a broken condom left inside you. At either your gynecologist's office, the ER, or an urgent care center, a pelvic examination will be performed. This will be similar to a normal pelvic exam, in which you lie down with your feet placed into stirrups and your knees apart. The practitioner will use a speculum and see if the condom can be removed manually. If not, long forceps may be used to pull the condom out. The examination is usually not painful, but it may be somewhat uncomfortable.